MeghalayaPost.news
Usambut Menteri Rang Bah Kajalang Bah Prestone Tensong Menteri Kasih Ulang Bah Jingwan Yuk Kejat Amit Shah Kumu Menteri Ketenat ke Kampo Yeng ke Sorkar Pedeng Shah ke Sorkar Shah ke Jala Meghalaya Kapang ke Bakin Kren shwa la yolat ki kentup ya kimat ki badang sateng ha ke Jala berkata ke Degi Jingdon Kamban Menteri Kamno ke ILP baru ban penrung ya ke Ktien Khasi Garo ha ke krenit ke Baprajong Kariti Sunshar Kari Ulang Ru Bah Jingwan Yuk Kejat Amit Shah Shah ke Jala Meghalaya ke Deban Kren Halor Shibun ki Kampen Roy bat ban penklan ki bor pahara ha ki Jala Shatai Lamik ngi Kari India Henry ke Sorkar lada ke yolat kan keren kerpang ya ke ILP baru ya ke jingdon kamban penrung no ya ke Ktien Khasi Garo ka krenit bapra karti sensyar jong kari ula keren syairu bahkan ni ke jingwan Amit Shah ka jingtemu ke dena ke benta ke NEC plenary bani keren halor ki kampen roy berwarna kataru lada donlat kini keren kerpang shwai ke ILP ber ke Ktien Khasi Garo bar ke baidei pat ber ke surok rel ula ong bakin bu shwa kam hadien ber kam syamut pan baya ke surok rel on sangi no ha ke bahkan ni kamat kerang ya sekmat bani keren sngautu na baro kiliang susu ula ong ru ke sorkar kan persyang bani keren ya kita kimat jeng dawa upai bah ha ke jela nadu ke ILP ber ke Ktien Khasi Garo bar nalor kata ha ke baidei ber ke ILP kila da bio lupa ya ke jeng menjur na baro kin riu pungut ki MLA hapok yang turbar tawan ke jela.
As of now, I am not aware about it, but I think it should be also part of the discussion, since the meeting is being organized to discuss about the development, the security of the entire northeastern states. I'm very sure maybe this subject so will be discussed.
How will the state government respond to the ministry when it's asked about the railway? Why it's still that the state government has not seen any progress in that line?
Well, it's not only the question of stopping it about this project. In fact, what we never said that we will stop. What we are saying is we would like to carry along everybody. All the stakeholders has to be also on board. I think that is the main issue. So right now, the most important issue as of today is about the pending issue. What is the pending issue? In fact, the stakeholders, even the citizens of the state, what they wanted is number one is ILP. If that is considered, then the second subject of railway project can be discussed. See, plenary session tomorrow is about the NEC. So leave aside that program. But when you talk about the pursuing the pending issues from the government side, yes, for sure. If we have the opportunity of meeting the Honorable Home Minister, we will surely apprise and we will surely talk to him again about the pending issues of one is ILP and number two is the 8th schedule language that we have already passed in the Assembly.
MeghalayaPost.news